Hello, all the students of the Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in your homework of your own time. Because whenever the school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given to you. So please be sincere and do your homework in your copy because whenever school is going to open, I am going to check. Please eat healthy food, play some indoor game, don't go outside to play and eat junk food. So today I am going to teach you today I am going to teach you maths, chapter 8 decimal fraction is going on. I was continuing with decimal fraction. I have to start page number 78, example number 5. Example 5. Question is arrange the following decimal in decimal fraction in ascending order. Arrange the following decimal fractions in ascending order. Okay, arrange it in the ascending order. So everyone knows what is ascending order? Means increasing order. Okay, ascending order means increasing order. So here it is in decimal. So you will get some problem here. So what are the first number? What are the numbers? 5 decimal 03, 2 decimal 95, 0 decimal 867, 1 decimal 0, 1 decimal 9, 0 decimal 1, 9, and 14 decimal 12. Okay, so we have to arrange this. These are the numbers, you have to arrange it in increasing order. Okay, means ascending order. Okay, so first we will take the smallest fraction. The smallest fraction is what? The smallest fraction is, see, 0 decimal 867 is the smallest fraction because this is 0 decimal 9. So it will start from 9, it has started from 8. So 0 decimal 867 is the smallest. Now the next fraction greater than 0 decimal 867 is 0 decimal 9. Now the next fraction greater than 0 decimal 867 is 0 decimal 9. Now the other fractions are fractions in ascending order are what will be, so 0 decimal 867 taken, 0 decimal 89 it has been taken now. So greater than it is 1 decimal 9, after that 2 decimal 95, 5 decimal 03 and 14 decimal 1 2. Okay, so now hence the given decimal fractions, okay, in ascending order are, so first one 0 decimal 867, then 0 decimal 9, then 1 decimal 9, then 2 decimal 9, then 5 decimal 03, then 14 decimal 1. Okay, so first you have to write this one, then if you are arranging in directly, then also it is okay. So now I will go for 6 months. So come to example number 6. Page number 79, example number 6. Add 2 decimal 03, 15 decimal 4, 04, sorry 4, 0 decimal 98 and 10 decimal and 10 decimal 5. Okay, 2 decimal 03, 15 decimal 4, 0 decimal 98 and 10 decimal 5. Come to solution. Okay, so write first 2 decimal 03. Always write decimal in the front of decimal number. Say 15 decimal 4. So 15 decimal 4. 15 decimal 4. Then 0 decimal 98 and 10 decimal 5. 10 decimal 5. Okay, now add. Now whatever blank is there, you can give here 0 also. No problem. Now add it. 8 plus 3 11, 150. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 9 14 plus 5 91. 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8 and 1 plus 1 2. So when you will add, so therefore sum is equal to 28 and 91. So this is your sum. Okay. When the student does mistake, if 15 decimal 4 is there, then they put 15 decimal 0. It means 15 decimal 40 is there, not 4. See, for 4 it is already given 0. Okay, so do not write here 0 4, otherwise you will get wrong answer. Now come to example number 7. Subtract 38 decimal 53 from 46 decimal 1. Okay, so from is there. From means first you will write second number, then you will write first number. So greater number is 46 decimal 1. 46 decimal 1 means it is not 46 decimal. You have 2 digit number, it means this is 46 decimal. Okay, see 1, now 38 decimal 553. Now here no number is there, then put here 0. It means 46 decimal 10 minus 38 decimal 53. Now subtract. This is subtraction with borrowing. So 10 minus 3 7. It will left again 0. 10 minus 5. If I will taken from this, so it left 10 minus 3 7. It left with 0. So 10 minus 5 5. Decimal it is 5. 15 minus 8. That is 7 and 3 minus 3 0. So therefore difference is equal to 7 decimal 57. Sorry, not 57. You will read after decimal. You should read like 5 7. Before decimal you can read 76, 56, 53. Before decimal, but after decimal any number is there, then you will read like that 101, 5, 7, 8. So like I will read this 38 decimal 53, not 30, you will not read 38 decimal 53. Before decimal you can read, but after decimal you have to read 101. Here 46 decimal 1. Okay, here 38 decimal 53, not 38 decimal 53. Okay, so in lecture number 2 I will explain example number 8.